Hello dear friends, welcome my channels. Today I want to discuss about vector calculus problem. So first problem is, let L denotes the value of the line integral phi 3x square minus 4x square y dx 4xy square plus 2y dy, where C a circle of radius equals to 2 with a with center at origin of the xy plane is traversed once in the anti-clockwise direction, then L by pi is equals to. So friends, you see that the problem is 3x square minus 4x square y dx plus 4xy square plus 2y dy, and here m equals to 3x square minus 4x square y and n equals to 4xy square plus 2y. Apply Green's theorem. So whatever I get, we know this theorem is m dx plus n dy equals to double integral r del n by del x minus del m by del y into dx into dy. So friends, whatever I get, del n by del x. Now we want to do del n by del x. So del n by del x is equal to 4 y square, and del m by del y is equal to minus of minus 4x square and dx into dy, and it is written this way: double integral r, capital R, x square plus y square into dx dy, and let x is equal to r cos theta and okay, now this is fine. Okay, x is equal to r cos theta and y is equal to r sin theta, and Jacobian is equal to r. Jacobian equals to mod of r. So we can get 4 into 0 to 2 pi 0 to 2 pi into 0 to 2 r square into r dr into d theta. Friends, you get in here, I draw, this is the sphere, and here you get this is the point center O, and r equals to 2. So radius is equal to 2. So 4 into 0 to 2 pi 0 to 2 r cube dr into d theta. This is the value is 4 into 2 pi into r to the power 4 by 4 0 to 2 equals to 4 cut, and the value will come 32 pi, and L by pi equals to 32. So then L by pi is equal to 32. Now we will solve next problem. The temperature T such that r cube divided by 0,0 r at any point t x y z is inversely proportional to the square of the distance. Inversely proportional square of the distance of t from the origin. So t x comma y comma z inversely proportional k divided by x square plus y square plus z square, as the distance of the equals to, I can write, because distance of the origin of the point x square plus y square plus z square. This square is equal to x square plus z square from origin. Now you can see, friends, then and there the value of t 0,0,01 equals to 3. So whatever I get, I putting t 0,0,1 equals to k plus 0 plus 1 equals to k, and this value equals to root over 3. So t x comma y comma z equals to root 3 divided by x square plus y square plus z square. T x comma y plus z equals to, this is the value, and after that del t, now I have to find out direction of the derivative. Whatever the direction of QR, questions is direction q is equal to 1, 2, 3 and QR is equals to this formula. So how can I get del t? I have to find out. Del t is equal to del t by del x cap, sorry, I cap, and del t by del y j cap, and del t by del z into k cap, and equals to whatever we get this is our value, and del t by del x is equal to minus 2 root 3 x square plus y square plus z square whole square. Into x. Similarly, when we will derivatives, then this is a 2 root 3 y x square plus y square plus z square into j cap minus 2 root 3, this is the whole square also, 2 root 3 into x square plus y square plus z square whole square into k cap. This is our total value. Now this is also z, differentiable z, and now whatever we get, del t del t x comma y comma z at q 1 comma 1 comma 2 equals to, putting the value just 1 comma 1 comma 2, so whatever we get minus 2 root 3 divided by 36, because x square plus y square plus z square whole square, so 6 square is equal to 36 I, and minus 2 root 3 divided by 36 j cap minus 4 root 3 divided by 36 into k cap. This is my value 1 comma 2, q is equal to 1 comma 2, and now the distance is r is included, r value is included. So qr, direction of qr, how can I find out qr? This derivative qr is equal to, if we see the triangle law, this is the point q, this is r, and this is OQ and OR. So QR R equals to OR minus OQ. So OR is equal to, whatever the value is OR, I have to, OR, we know OR is equal to 0 comma 0 1. This is the OR value. So OR is equal to 0 comma 0 1 minus R OR value. This is the OR and this is the OQ. OQ value is 1 comma 2, that is minus 1 comma minus 1 comma minus 1, and the unit vector QR unit is equal to 1 by root 3 minus I minus j minus k. So whatever I get the value is del t x comma y comma z, means point is del t, sorry, this is the point is del t 1 comma 1 comma 1 comma 2 into minus I root 3 into j minus j root 3 and minus k by root 3. If I multiply, then the value will come 2 by 36 into root 3 minus root 3 minus 2 root 3 divided by 36 into root 3 and minus 4 root 3 divided by 36 root 3, and cut, both are cut, equals to minus minus plus equals to 8 by 36, and the answer will come 0.22. So the value is 0.22. Double integration problem is that y is equal to, this is the y is equal to x square, this is the y is equal to is equal to 4x square, and this is the point is xy is equal to 5 and xy is equal to 1, and I have to find out y square by x dx by dy. This is, I have to find out these double integrations. So let u is equal to xy and v is equal to y by x square, v is equal to y by x square, and ux is equal to y, and uy is equal to x. uy is equal to x and vx is equal to minus y by x cube, and vy is equal to 1 by x square, and j is equal to, and del u comma v divided by del x comma y equals to ux vy and vx uy, sorry, this is not vy, this is uy, and vx into vy, and ux is equal to y and uy is equal to x, minus vx is equal to minus 2y this is the differentiation is wrong, 2y divided by x cube and 1 divided by x square equals to 3y divided by x square. y by x square is equal to 3v. Now our integration is, and Jacobian j equals to 1 by 3v. Now y by x square equals to 1, and y by x square equals to 4, and xy equals to 1, and xy means this is the xy is equal to 5, means u is equal to, we say u is equal to 1 and u is equal to 5, and v is equal to y by x square. So this is the conditions. Now we want to solve that problem. This is the s, and uv into del uv divided by del xy into u comma v into du into dv. So the value is 1 to 4 and 1 to 2 uv into 1 by 3v 1 by 3v into du into dv. Then vv cut, so we get 1 to 4 and 1 to 5 into u by 3 into du into dv. And now we will use in here 5 to 1 to 5 u into du and 1 to 4 v into dv. This is the double integral, and we get not v into dv equals to 1 by 3 u square by 2 into 4 minus 1 into 12 into 3. That value is 12. So my value is 12. Now we will solve another problem. Consider the unit of sphere xyz equal to x square plus y square plus z square equal to 1, and the unit normal vector is n xy comma z, and the surface velocity is this. So friends, we consider s is equal to fn ds equals to double integral s into 2x by pi plus sine y square x plus e to the power z minus y by pi y plus 2z by pi plus sine square z sine square y into z into d sigma. Now normal of the unit normal of the surface S equals to grad x square plus y square plus z square divided by mod of grad x square plus y square plus z square, and apply this knowledge. So 2xi plus 2yj plus 2zk divided by root over 4x square plus 4y square plus 4z square. So friends, now you see that x square plus z square equals to 1. This is the formula. So we get xi plus yj plus zk. This is the unit normal of the surface S. Now f is equal to, how can I get the value f? F is equal to 2x pi plus sine y square and I plus e to the power z minus y divided by pi j plus two z divided by pi plus sine square y k. So friends, whatever I will apply Gauss's divergence theorem. So this theorem is S double integral S fn. So friends, now I apply Gauss's divergence theorem. Gauss divergence theorem, because we know that how this type of problem we use divergence theorem. So whatever I get if I will divergence theorem according to the divergence del f1 divided by del x. So I get in here 2 by pi, and del f2 by del y I get minus 1 by pi, and del f3 by del z I get by pi into dx, dy and dz. After that I get 3 by pi into dx into dy into dz. So friends, 3 by pi into volume integral dx of dy into dz. As the volume of integral, you will see it is marked that it is the surface integral of x square plus z square. It is the sphere. As the volume of integral is sphere, so we get the value is 3 by pi 4 by 3 pi, where r is equal to r cube, means r is equal to 1. So 4 by 3 is equal to 1. So it is cut, and pi cut, and my answer is 4. This 4 pi as r equals to 1, r cube as r equals to 1 cube. This is my answer. Thanks for watching. I hope you like my videos.